Hello, and welcome to a Minecraft X Play video. Today, we will be playing again in this. It's pretty cool. So, you're once again, with Max, a dragon. He is really awesome. I really like him. He's a really good friend of mine. But we shall be playing, once again, In Farm Life. It's our episode 3. I kind of just made this episode pretty much right after. I'm making this episode just right after I made the last episode. But just look at this. We found diamonds already. 4 diamonds. In the second episode. You've noticed that, haven't you? First episode, I mean, I have to say, it's a bit cuckoo. I never knew I'd find diamonds on my first episode of anything. And have you ever found diamonds on your, second episode of anything in the world? Diamonds, I mean it. Diamonds. What happened? Okay, something weird's happened. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I have a different server. Soon it will be up for a download, just saying. Sorry, I'm talking. Okay. So sometimes it breaks down. But let's keep mining. It's pretty cool in here. If you hear any weird noises, it may be my dog's barking. I really don't know. I won't know. My dogs bark way too much. The one that usually barks, hearing him barking, it's my dog Archie. He's a licker. He loves licking. So please, just know that's what it is. Redstone blocks. That would be wonderful. But right now I have, how many pieces of redstone do I have? 28, 32, 36, 40 pieces of redstone. That's great. Okay. I'll probably want to smelt this. She's there. I'm fighting with him. Have I not been talking? I might not be able to do this video. I mean, really. Okay, I'll do this video. It doesn't matter. I was gonna do it. I was really gonna not do it. Okay, now I've got some sticks. Let's get this many sticks. And I can make an iron pickaxe. That'd be great, because I need an iron pickaxe, as you know. I really do. Look at me. There, now I can get tons of iron and everything much faster. Though this is an iron pickaxe, I already have one, just in case when that one dies, I'll still have one. Though, this is pretty nice. I've gotten 2 iron pickaxes. Let's see this first sword. Let's get an iron sword. Won't that be nice? Just in case there's any mobs. Any mobs? Not right now. We probably want an stone pickaxe, don't we? Because mine is about to break. Okay, what do we want? Let's get as much stone as we can. We're gonna need it. Okay, now we will eventually end the mining adventure. It's really weird to stay with me. But okay, let's start getting as much stone as possible, because we're gonna need it as our #1 building supply. But I really don't know how we're gonna ever get back, so I'll want to get back before next video, so that might be in an hour even. I don't know, because I really don't know how long it will take to get back. Okay, use some of our cobbly wobbly. There, now you can go back. Get some stuff in here. Isn't that nice in here? Though, we really need to. Oh, great. Okay. Iron. Oh, that almost fell. I don't know how I got that much iron. I really don't. He'll be able to make iron everything. This is really cool. You okay, dragon? Better not be whacking me anytime soon. Get all this dirt. That's gonna be very precious on our island. But we have a mine. We can get anything. got diamonds. Look at that. Look. This is our third video, right? And I get diamonds. First video, he gets diamonds. That's crazy. Can you believe this? Okay. Diamond fights. I'm still okay. Of course I do diamond fights. Yeah, let him get that redstone. Let's see if there's any more back here. Hey, stop whacking me, sir. Look, third video. I already have like 51 redstone and 3, and he has some diamonds. I'm not happy. I still only have that much. How many food? I don't have any food. Fridge. Okay, well, we are gonna have to end our video here. So, bye.